Hello everyone, welcome to CodeChef. Myself Jola Chorasi and today we are going to solve the problem which came to starters 215. The name of the problem is Special Missions and the problem code is SPMISS. The difficulty rating of the problem is Cakewalk and the prerequisite is a dog. Let's start with reading the problem statement over here. So guys, problem says you are playing a game with n missions to complete. The ith missions pay A of I coins. You can choose whether to complete each mission or not and also the order in which you want to complete them. However, some of the missions are special ones, and to access them, you need to pay a one time fee to a wizard of C coins. You only need to pay once, not per every special mission you wish to complete. You are given a binary string S, where S of I equal to 1 if the ith mission is special and S of I equal to 0 otherwise. What is the maximum coins you can obtain? You start with 0. Note that you cannot have a negative coin balance at any point of time. That is, if you decide to pay C, coins to the wizard to unlock the special missions, you must have at least C coins with you beforehand. Input format. The first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. Each test case consists of three lines of input. The first line of each test case contains two space separate integers n and c. The second line contains n space separate integers a1, a2 till a of n. The third line contains a binary string as the output format for each test case. Output on a new line the maximum number of coins you can obtain. Constraint for t lies from 1 to 100, for n lies from 1 to 100, for a of I lies from 1 to 100, c lies from 1 to 10,000, and this absolute value of s equal to n, s of I belongs to 0, comma 1. So guys, now let's understand the sample test case. The question would be simply over here. So guys, this question is very straightforward. It says that we are playing some game with n missions to complete. The ith missions pay a of I coins. So you can choose whether to complete each mission or not, and also in which order you want to complete them. So, however, some of the missions are special, and to access them, you need to pay a one-time fee to someone, let's say a wizard, of C coins. Okay, and you need to pay once, not per every special mission you wish to complete. So you are given a binary string S where S of I equal to 1 if the ith mission is special and S of I equal to 0 otherwise. So you have to find what is the maximum coins we can obtain, and we start with 0. Okay, let's take the first test case. So in the first test case, uh, in the first test case, we can complete one mission, right? Because it is not a special mission and earn one coin. However, we do not have a sufficient to pay the one time. So yes, so if we will see for the first test case from here, so we have got N, A of I, and C. Okay, so let's say uh, for this first test case. Uh, in the first, yeah, so 2 of 2 and 1 5 and 0 1. Okay, so this is the first test case. So we can complete mission 1, right, for this because it's not a special mission and we can earn one coin from it, right? However, we do not have sufficient. So you can see that 0 is not a special mission, right? So when the binary string is 1, that means a special, and 0 is not a special. So we can complete this, right? Because uh, we have that much. Okay, so we have one. Okay, one coins. Yeah, initially after completing this, but for this, that because which is a special mission, we do not have the sufficient coins like this. So we cannot complete this. So only mission 1 can be completed, right? So guys, I think the test cases are pretty much clear. It's simple test case, right? Now let's move towards a simple solution. So we have a of I greater than equal to 1 for all I, which means that in general it's ideal to just do any mission that's available. It will only increase the income. This means we really only have two options for what we should do. The first is to simply complete all normal missions and stop there. The second is to complete all normal missions and all special missions while incurring a cost of C to unlock the special missions. So let S of 1 be the total income from normal missions and S of 2 be the total income from special missions. Then if C is lesser than equal to S of 1, then we are always able to unlock the special missions by paying C coins since we can clear all normal missions first. So the answer is either S of 1 or S of 1 minus C plus S of 2, whichever is larger. Here S of 1 is the income from clearing only normal missions and S of 1 minus C plus S of 2 is the income from unlocking special missions on top to clear them all too. If C is greater than S1, then we cannot even unlock the special mission since we don't have enough coins from the normal missions, right? So in case the answer is simply S of 1 itself. Simple solution, guys. Just try to reiterate, it will be more clear. Now let's move towards a simple C++ code. So guys, this is my simple C++ code. Yeah, I took the input for all the test cases. Yeah, as well as stored the array in my vector. I initialized string s, yeah, for the binary string. Okay, and I did my operation at the last, simply printing my answer. And as you can see that guys, I have got my C++ code right now. Let's move toward the Python code. So guys, this is my similar Python code. Took the input for all the test cases as well as n comma c, as well as my array and as well as my binary string. I initialize s1 s2 equal to both to 0. I'm running a for loop and doing my operation at the last, simply printing my answer. And as you can see that guys, I have got my Python code as well as right. So guys, I think the code solution, the approach was pretty much clear. Now let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching our videos.